A geologist kneels by a mountain stream, sifting gravel. His hands reveal a glint of gold ore. The geologist carefully collects gold ore samples into a rugged canvas bag. His precise movements prepare for the journey to analysis. The geologist meticulously packs his hiking backpack. The mountain stream flows nearby as he prepares for the journey ahead.
These are the samples from the stream.
We'll process them immediately.
The lab technician carefully places gold ore into an industrial jaw crusher. This critical step begins the refining process.
The sleek ball mill rotates, crushing gold ore into fine powder. Its digital panel displays process data with glowing blue LEDs. An extreme close-up reveals ultra-fine gold ore powder, a light grayish-brown, spread thinly on a black velvet surface, shimmering subtly. The lab technician meticulously weighs fine gold ore powder on a precise digital scale, displaying a critical, accurate weight. Gold ore powder swirls and dissolves in a transparent leaching tank, forming gold ions. The liquid gradually clouds, with bubbles rising. The lab technician filters gold-bearing solution, separating it from grayish sludge. The solution drips into a clear glass flask. The lab technician sprinkles zinc dust into gold solution, initiating a visible chemical reaction. Cloudiness and particles appear. A clear glass beaker holds purified gold-bearing solution. It's remarkably clear and colorless, with a subtle, imperceptible shimmer. The lab technician carefully places gold powder into a roaring, high-temperature furnace. Intense heat radiates dramatically. The lab technician scrapes dull, yellowish-brown gold powder from filter paper into a small ceramic crucible, preparing for further refinement.
The lab technician pours shimmering molten gold into a matte, black graphite ingot mold. Heat haze rises dramatically.
Inside the observable, gold rapidly transforms into shimmering, molten liquid.
A new formed gold ingot cools in its matte black mold, glow vibrant, deep red.
The lab technician carefully lifts a gleaming gold ingot from its matte black mold, now completely cooled and lustrous. A rapid montage showcases gleaming gold products, a wedding band, perfectly minted coins, and a large, smooth gold bar. Tracets. A fast-paced time-lapse montage showcases the entire gold refining process, from raw ore to a gleaming ingot.
A wide shot reveals a busy laboratory with multiple gold refining stages underway. Technicians work diligently, conveying efficiency.
The purity is exceptional, exactly as hoped. This region shows promising indicators for further deposits.
A rusty ore cart, filled with gold-bearing rock, slowly exits a dimly lit mine tunnel. Metal wheels rumble loudly.
A rusty ore cart tips gold-bearing rock onto a wide conveyor belt. Chunks cascade, creating a dust cloud.
A massive industrial jaw crusher pulverizes enormous chunks of gold ore with immense force. Dust and rock fragments explode.
A complex network of conveyor belts carries crushed gold ore through a sprawling mining facility. Dust rises gently.
All systems are nominal. The ore flow is steady.
Thick gold ore slurry flows powerfully into enormous open-top leaching tanks, agitated by giant mechanical stirrers. The turbulent surface of gold ore slurry churns in a leaching tank, with cyanide solution continuously pumped into the swirling mixture. Towering carbon adsorption columns continuously process gold-bearing solution, yielding purified liquid. Pipes and valves crisscross.
Time for the daily sample. Let's check our progress.
Gold-laden activated carbon beads flow from a chute onto a vibrating steel mesh screen, gently separating the carbon. A worker lowers gold-laden activated carbon beads into a gleaming stainless steel elution column. The gleaming elution column releases a clear, yellowish gold-bearing solution, with steam visibly rising from its top and pipes.
A row of electrowinning cells processes gold-rich solution, with bubbles steadily rising from active.
A worker places a crucible of gold in flux into a blindingly bright industrial smelting furnace. Sparks fly dramatically.
An extreme close-up reveals the raw gold button, a dull, lustrous golden color with a slightly rough texture and subdued shimmer. An ultra-sensitive microbalance displays the incredibly precise weight of a tiny, gleaming gold prill, emphasizing extreme accuracy.
Our gold consistently achieves an exceptional 99.999% purity.
A worker pours molten gold from an induction furnace into matte black ingot molds. The molds fill with intensely glowing gold. Freshly cast gold bars cool on a conveyor belt, transforming from red-orange to lustrous gold. Wisps of heat haze rise gently.
The surface is flawless, and the markings are crisp.
A worker cleans a gold bar with a powerful high-pressure water jet at an industrial station, revealing a brighter surface.
A laser engraving machine precisely marks a gold bar with a unique serial number and logo. A faint wisp of smoke rises.
A stylized animated map shows gold's journey from mine to refinery to vault.
An elegant flow graphic visualizes the entire gold refining process, from crushing to casting.
Jeweler meticulously shapes a delicate gold pendant with a tiny file on a cluttered workbench, emphasizing craftsmanship and artistry.
A massive pile of rough gold ore with dull gold flecks sits under bright sunlight.
Clear the area. We're securing the final shipment.
A forklift operator skillfully moves packaged gold bars in a vast warehouse, emphasizing efficient logistics and valuable cargo. An aerial drone captures an armored truck driving through an urban landscape, symbolizing the distribution of refined gold.
An aerial drone captures an armored truck driving through an urban landscape, symbolizing the distribution of refined gold.
A fiery sun sets behind a rugged mountain range, reflecting golden rays in a tranquil stream.